Hey crew, welcome to Rome. Today I'm headed to the highest point in the city. Can you guess what it is? I'll give you a hint. It's also located in the smallest country in the world, Vatican City. I'm gonna go to the top of St. Peter's Basilica today. Should be nice. So this line I'm standing on right now is literally the dividing point between Italy and Vatican City. It's cool to stand in two countries at the same time. One thing to know if you're going up to the dome of the St. Peter's Basilica is that you can pay €8 and walk 550 steps, or you can pay €10, take an elevator, and then walk 320 steps. I'm doing the elevator. I'm almost there. This is quite the climb, even with the elevator. Wow, what a view. This is gorgeous. What a great way to get a view of Rome. I would highly recommend going up to the top of St. Peter's Basilica, and especially if you can go around sunset, do that and take the elevator. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Have an awesome day. See you next week. I totally forgot. You can send a postcard from the top. I was gonna do that. Oh well, next time.